Hey everyone, welcome to today's special video. And today I'm going to be doing a mystery box video because everyone seems to like those. And also with the order of the mystery box, I also got these little heart-shaped slime cups. Let's pull them out. Oh, there's like 24 in here, so... I open this up for you. There's a lot in here, so... Okay, yeah, so they're all like up here, so I'm going to move these out of the way and show you what they look like. Like one. So, this is what they look like. They're little heart-shaped plastic containers. They have a lid that's attached. And yeah, so they're really cute. And I'll put slime in them. So, also they came with these like tools. I don't know, these yellow things. Like knives or something. Like, I'm not sure, but I can use them for mixing tools, I guess. I mean, yeah. But let's get onto the mystery box. So like a week or so ago, that didn't make sense ago, but like a week or so ago, I said to my mom, I kind of want to do a mystery box unboxing. And she was like, oh, that's cool. And then tonight, she just popped up with this box, and she said to open it on camera. So here I am opening on camera, Mom. So let me just open it. I'll put this tool. Okay. I'm so excited to see. And it says Target Beauty. You can see it. So that excites me. Okay. Let's open it up. Okay, it says March into Spring. If you spent your winter hibernating and sipping hot cocoa, you're not alone. No shame in our game. But now the days are getting longer and the weather's getting warmer. It's time to get glowing. To the rescue, our box of beauty finds that'll help you march into spring more radiant than ever. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at Target.com Beauty Box. Okay, so that's what it says. So I'm gonna put this back here. And it has this gold tissue. Now, I'm not going to show you guys what's inside right now, but there is a lot of beauty supplies in here. So the first things my eyes went to was this soothing toner and hydrating mist. So it smells really good. I can't tell. It's like green. It's supposed to be green tea. Yeah, I can kind of smell it. Okay, next item. They're covered in like Target labels. This is conditioner right here. Beauty and Planet, argan oil, and lavender. Okay, that's cool. Next item. Okay, this is a really little one. It's Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Foaming Cleanser for Sensitive Skin. Nice. There's not that many items in here, by the way. Here's another conditioner, but this time it's shampoo, Love Beauty and Planet, argan oil and lavender. Once again, with like a different color. Okay, this looks cool. It's a Tresemme used by professionals, like intensive face mask. So there's 0 dyes. And so yeah, it's pretty cool. But I think, wait. It says, on the back it says, apply generous amount to wet hair for color treated hair. Okay, so this is not a face mask, but it's a colored hair treating. Okay, so the very last thing in the box, oh yeah, by the way, this went on top of this thing, but it fell out. So here's another thing. The last thing in here is this silicone free like this hair moisturizer. Oh, I can't get it to work. There's like an open thing up here, but I'm not sure how to open it. Wait. Oh no, that wasn't good. I kind of sprayed some over here, so just like put that on my hair. Take it and put it on my hair. Whatever. So yeah, this is a spray. But I can't get it to work, so. Oh yeah, I just did. Okay, look at that. I got that on my hands. Oh my gosh, sorry. I couldn't even realize you guys couldn't see it. So sorry. I've done like this whole video without you guys seeing it. So you have this spray here. This colored hair mask. This spray. This little face washer. Conditioner and shampoo. So also, tell me if you like this video, and also if you want me to do something with these heart-shaped containers. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.